This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your PC. Enable virtualization in BIOS, confirm Windows 11 build or suitable Linux setup, and update GPU drivers so emulation runs smoothly. Once done, make sure you free at least 16 GB and have a Google account ready for Play Store access. Next, download the Android subsystem or a reliable emulator installer and check its checksum to avoid corrupted files. This gets you into the first actionable phase quickly. No waiting, just necessary prep and the installer in hand. You now install and configure the Android layer. Run the installer as administrator and enable Hyper-V or WSL/WSA features when prompted. While installing, allocate resources, set 4 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM at minimum, and configure a virtual disk large enough for apps. Once the system boots, either sideload the Play Services package for a WSA fork or open the emulator's settings to sign into Google Play. This step makes apps usable and lets the Play Store authenticate and sync your purchases and preferences. You finish by updating both the Android subsystem and the Play Store, then reboot to apply changes. This prevents many runtime errors. Make sure input mapping and display scaling are comfortable, and review app permissions so each app runs correctly. If the Play Store fails to open or shows authentication errors, clear its cache, reinstall Play Services, or reset the virtual device image. Those steps usually resolve corruption or login issues. If problems persist, retrace resource settings and virtualization options in BIOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.